I'm Arun. I'm doing my BTech third year in Information Technology at PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio. Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio, or the MRDS, is a window-based environment for robot control and simulation. It is aimed at academic, hobbyists, and commercial developers and handles a wide variety of robot hardware. RDS is based on CCR, that's Concurrency and Coordination Runtime, and it's a .NET-based concurrent library implementation for managing asynchronous parallel tasks. This technique involves using message passing and a lightweight service-oriented runtime, that is a DSS, decentralized software services, which allows the orchestration of multiple services to achieve complex behaviors. Those features include a visual programming tool, a Microsoft visual programming language for creating and debugging robot applications, a web-based and window-based interface, that's a 3D simulation including hardware acceleration tool, which provides a ease of access and a robot sensor and actuators for supporting a large number of languages including C#, or Visual Basic .NET, or JavaScript, or the Python. Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio includes a support for the packages to add other services to the suite. Those currently available include soccer simulation and sumo competition by Microsoft, a community-developed maze simulator, a program to create worlds with walls that can be explored by a virtual robot. There are four main components in RDS. That is, the first one is the CCR, Concurrency and Coordination Runtime, DSS, Decentralized Software Services, VPL, Visual Programming Language, and the VSC, Visual Simulation Environment. CCR and DSS are also available separately for use in commercial applications that require a high level of concurrency and must be distributed across multiple nodes in a network. This package is called the CCR and DSS toolkit. And the different versions of Microsoft Robotics Studio. The first one is Robotics Studio 1.0, which was released in the December 18th of 2006. Then the version came 1.5. Which is released in May 2007, and Robotics Studio 1.5 Refresh, which was released in December 13, 2010. Then came the Microsoft Robotics Studio 2008 Standard Edition for commercial use, Academic Edition for academic use, and the third one was Express Edition for commercial and non-commercial use. The release date was November 18, 2008. The Robotics Studio 2008 R2 Standard Edition, Academic Edition, and Express and Commercial Edition and non-commercial June 17, 2009. The Robotics Developer Studio 2008 R3 was released in the date of May 20, 2010 with R3 Robotics Developer Studio 2008, and is now free, and the functionality of all edition and CCR and DSS toolkit has been combined into a single free edition. Let's see, if you consider some of the applications of MRDS, one you can see at Pearson's University. That's the DARPA Urban Grand Challenge. It was an autonomous car entry program, was programmed entirely by MRDS. Then MySpace, it uses MRDS parallel computing foundation libraries such as CCR and DSS for a non-robotic application in the back end of the suit. Then in Indiana University, it uses an MRDS in a robotic application to coordinate a high-performance computing network. Next slide, in 2008, Microsoft launched a simulated robotics competition named RoboChamps using MRDS. 4 challenges were available: the maze, the sumo, urban, and master robot. The simulated environment and robots were used by the competition were created by SimpliSim, and the competition was sponsored by Kia Motors. In 2009, the robotics and algorithm selection of Imagine Cup software used Microsoft MRDS visual simulation environment. The challenges using this competition were also developed by SimpliSim and improved the versions of robot challenges. So this may be about MRDS. Thank you.